I'm on my way back to my hometown and see what's gonna happen. I need to visit our neighbors and my relatives. Of course, I need to check my country office. I heard that our country office is damaged and with the flood. And so kind of scared to find out the truth, but well, we have to face it. Okay, so anyway, so I'll give you more updates later, and thank you very much for your support. All right.